Feeling frustrated with irregular periods? You're not alone. But what if your yoga mat could be part of the solution? In this video, I'm sharing 10 powerful yoga poses that naturally support hormonal balance, reduce stress, and improve your menstrual health without medication. These asanas are beginner-friendly and designed to target your pelvic region, stimulate your reproductive organs, and bring your cycle back into rhythm. So grab your mat, take a deep breath, and let's flow toward balance and well-being naturally.
Let's do Chakra Vakasana, the cat and cow pose. Let's go. Come here on a tabletop posture. Make sure that your shoulders are stacked above the wrists and the hips above the knees. Take a deep inhalation. Open your chest, lift up the head, drop the navel down, arc your back. Exhale, round your back. Bring your chin closer to the chest. Inhale, come back up. Go with your own rhythm. Exhale, round your back. Inhale, cow pose. Exhale, cat pose. Beautiful. Come back to a neutral back. And then come back to your sitting posture. Beautiful. Let's do Ashtanga Namaskar, the caterpillar pose. So come onto a tabletop posture. Then outstretch your legs. And from here, we're gonna bring the knees down, followed by the chest and the chin, until we go on the mat. And only 8 body parts are touching the floor. The 2 feet, the 2 knees, the chest, the 2 hands, and the chin. We stay here together for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and you can lay fully on the mat, bringing your forearms just under your head and relax. Let's do Gouasana, the cow's face pose. We are starting sitting on the mat. Then bring your right knee in front of yourself. Up and bring the left knee on the top of the right knee. We're trying here to align the knees together. Stay sitting straight and then inhale, bring the right arm up above your head and behind your back. And with the help of the other hand, we're interlocking our fingers or just catching the hands. Push your head back up and we're staying together here for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, and then very slowly you can come out of the pose. First the hands and then the legs. Beautiful. Now do exactly the same thing but on the other side. Fantastic work. Let's do Natarajasana, the dancer pose. Let's go. Start standing on your mat. Bring your body weight onto the right foot and then lift up the left foot. Catch the external side of your ankle and then inhale, bring your hands up. You can connect your thumb and your index and then start leaning forward slightly with the torso and try to bring your left leg as high as you can. Beautiful. We're staying here for 3. Look up. 2, 1, and exhale down. Let's do the same thing on the other side. Inhale. Weight onto the left foot. Inhale. Bring the right foot up, catch the ankle, and then inhale up, exhale, lean forward, bringing the right foot up. Look up, we stay for 3, 2, 1, exhale slowly, come back down, and relax. Let's do Utthata Konasana, the goddess pose. Alright, we are starting standing. Then bring your feet closer to the edge of the mat, turning your toes so they're in the same direction as your kneecaps. And then take a long inhalation, bring your arms up above your head, and as you exhale, bend your arms so you're creating two 90-degree angles. Exhale, come into a squatting pose, bend the legs, make sure that the hips are open. Imagine that you're standing against a wall and we're staying here trying to sit in the pose for 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Come out of the pose. Bring your legs closer together, adjust and relax. Let's do Ardha Hanumanasana, the half split pose. We are starting from Vajrasana, the kneeling pose, and then inhale, lift up, come onto your knees, bring the right leg forwards, stay straight, inhale, exhale, lean forward, keeping the spine straight, place your hands on the knees, toes engaged, and try to relax. Feel the stretch in the hamstring. Inhale, come back up, and then we're just changing. So this time, left leg forwards, hands onto the hips. Inhale, exhale, lean forwards, hands onto the mat, toes engaged and relaxed. Come back up with your next inhalation and exhale, relax. Let's do Supta Kapotasana, the reclining pigeon pose. Let's go. Alright, lay on your mat, keeping your legs bent. And then bring the right foot on the top of the left thigh. Interlock your fingers behind the left thigh. Inhale. And as you exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, let go. And then we're just changing sides. Bring the left foot on the top of the right knee, interlock your finger behind the right thigh. Inhale. Exhale, bring the foot closer to your chest. For 3, 2, 1, you can let go and come back into a laying posture. Beautiful work. Let's do Anuvittanasana, the standing back bend pose. Ready? Alright, stand on your mat with your feet more or less hips distance. And then bring your hands on your lower back, fingers pointing downwards. Take a long inhalation and push your hips forward. Open your chest, roll your shoulder back. Look up, lift the chin up. Try to get deeper in the back bend, and we're staying here together. 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Engage your abs and bring yourself back up very slowly. Let go of the hand. Take a long inhalation. Exhale and relax. Let's do Vrikshasana, the tree pose. And we are starting standing on the mat. Bring your body weight onto the left leg and then bring the right foot on the left thigh. Beautiful. Engage your abs. Push your hips forward. Push the knee back. Inhale. Bring your hands up above your head. Let the finger touch. Look straight in front of you for balance. And we stay for 3, 2, 1. Exhale. Hands down. Foot down. and we change size. This time the left leg is going to the right thigh. Engage the abs, hips, knee. Inhale, arms up. Let the finger touch. Find your balance, and we stay here for 3, 2, 1, and come back down. Fantastic. Let's do Prasarita Padottanasana, the wide-legged forward bends. And we are starting standing on the mats. Here, open your legs wider, as wide as comfortable, making sure that the toes are pointed outwards. Let the legs be a little bit soft, no overstretching. Put your hands on your hips and start leaning forward, keeping the spine straight. Lean forward, stop halfway. Inhale. Exhale, keep leaning forward. Bring your hands on the mat. And let's drop the head on the mat. We're staying here for 3, 2, 1, and come back up, pushing yourself with the hands halfway, and then bend the legs and come all the way back up. Legs together and relax.
Consistency is your superpower. Practice these poses regularly, and you'll start noticing real shifts, not just in your energy, but in your irregular periods too. If this flow helped you feel even a little better, share it with someone else dealing with irregular periods. You never know who needs this today. Like, share, and subscribe for more yoga that supports your body, your hormones, and your healing journey. Your body knows how to find balance. Yoga just helps it remember. *.